Sky City. I'm here along the Victoria Street. Just looking. See that one, Sky City, Sky Tower. There's so many guys jumping over there. I'm here along the Victoria Street. I'm doing some testing here for electrical. No, not electrical. Fire alarm test for some of the shop here. See this one, the Fiddler, Well Pizza, Lotto. It's also included to my test. Mexican Cafe, City Dollar Dealers. All of that I will test today. This one, Midnight Express. Hip-hop time. But I'm gonna do this one first, Mai Tai. So I'll open it. I think this is not the one, huh? Yeah, I'm in. So this is the shop. I'm gonna do the test. This is closed right now. The shop is not open yet, and this may be open by next week. So I'm gonna do the test today. Just want to make it sure that everything is working fine. All right. So it's plugging water on the floor. So this is the fire alarm. I'm gonna do the testing this one. See, I'm doing the sound test. It's not connected to the parallel panel. It's all in one. This MCP is directly connected to the horn, and there's an amplifier for that to do the sound. All right. See. And this is the communication, sign communication. Okay. Okay, ready? Yeah. You hear that sound? This is from the fire alarm. Okay, the system is good. So that sound is coming from here. That's connected here. Here, this is the panel. That's dark now. Yeah, it's coming from here. This is the amplifier. Alright, with the battery. Okay.